Sup, people? Sup? Crap, I need to charge, right? Oh man, I hate this fucking charging, man. Alright? Don't want to mess everything up. Reading chapter 1.2. So we're gonna finish 1.2 completely. And as usual, so you can just, I hope you guys can see. Section 1.2, length and direction. How long is an arrow? Oh shit. Right. Problem is, when is the midterm? They never said when is the midterm. Oh, okay. To be decided. To be decided in room. So what I'm seeing is 1.2 will be finished. My plan is to finish it today itself. Whatever the case, I'll finish it today itself. But let's see how far it can take us. I believe in myself. I fully believe in myself. How long is an arrow that picture? How long is an arrow that pictures the vector v of AB? Remembering the theorem of Pythagoras and looking at the figure on the left from figure 1.10, which is this guy here, we see that length is magnitude of a square plus b square, or the root of a square plus b square. So that's the magnitude of v. It's easily seen that this formula extends to three-dimensional vectors. Okay. So what I'm saying is two diagrams are given. So focusing on figure 1.10, figure 10. So this will be the entire lecture. So me understanding and me teaching, it'll be the same at the exact same time. So me understanding what's going on with, and me teaching to you guys, me highlighting that, okay, this is what you have to do, this is how you understand and stuff, and it will all be posted free on YouTube. So you can see the name here, it will be posted for free. So what I'm saying is that to calculate length, if I were to have a graph, I'm going to draw the graph actually. I'm going to draw the graph out, and that so if I have the base A and the height B, this will be my vector which is represented at AB with some coordinates AB. If I were to calculate the magnitude of it, this will be square root of A square plus B square. So this is similar to Pythagorean theorem. Or that's for a 2D, or if I were to have it in 3D, draw the 3D in a different color, use this color here, you guys can see. So if this was to be my 3D diagram, now I'm going to say this is A, and some coordinates A, B, 0, and this will be some coordinates A, B, C, and so this is the same triangle as this guy here, but it's facing that way, right? So which means if I were to look at from this side, so I'll see that my triangle is facing that way, right? On that side my triangle will be, my right angle triangle will be facing. So I'm going to consider this O, I'm going to consider this P, and I'm considering this A. And so OP would be root of A square plus B square plus C square. However, OA would be root of A square plus B square plus 0 square. Even though you don't use OA, you typically use OP, because OP is simply OA plus AP, but OA is just one line, so you don't really do a magnitude for a line, right? So you do a magnitude for OP, the hypotenuse here, which would typically be square root of A square plus B square plus C square. He's going to remove my hoodie. It's quite hot in here. So if I were to focus on the basic definition, we'll try to finish as much as possible today.